Zuzu Japanese 楽しく日本語を学ぼう。Hi everyone, I'm Zuzu. Starting today, I'm studying abroad here in Japan. Let's do our best to learn Japanese together. Come join me on my adventure. Listening practice. The video you're about to watch has no subtitles. Try watching it first and see how much you can understand. わあ、ここがホームステイのお家？ちょっとドキドキするけど、私なら大丈夫。
ズズちゃん、ようこそ日本へ。
お邪魔します。はじめまして、ズズです。よろしくお願いします。
パパです。わからないことがあったら何でも聞いてください。
ママです。これからよろしくね。
僕はチッピー。ズズちゃんが来ることすごく楽しみにしていたよ。
チェリーだよ。これからいっぱい遊ぼうね。
チッピーとズズちゃんは年齢も近いのよ。
何歳ですか
？10歳だよ。
あ、同い年です。仲良くしてください。
うん。困ったことがあったらいつでも頼ってね。
チッピーくん、ちょっとかっこいいな。
Did you enjoy watching Zuzu meet her homestay family? There were so many important expressions in today's conversation, so let's go through them together, one by one.
わあ、ここがホームステイのお家？ちょっとドキドキするけど、私なら大丈夫。
ズズちゃん、ようこそ日本へ。
お邪魔します。
When Zuzu entered the house, she said, "Ojama shimasu." This is a greeting used when entering someone else's home, and it carries the feeling of, I'll be intruding on your space for a little while. By the way, when you leave the house, you switch to the past tense version, "Ojama shimashita." And if you're heading back to your own home, you'd use "tadaima" and "okaeri nasai" instead.
はじめまして、ズズです。よろしくお願いします。
パパです。わからないことがあったら何でも聞いてください。
ママです。これからよろしくね。
僕はチッピー。ズズちゃんが来ることすごく楽しみにしていたよ。
チェリーだよ。これからいっぱい遊ぼうね。
Next, let's talk about self-introductions. Papa and Mama introduce themselves the polite way, saying "Papa desu" and "Mama desu." That's the pattern. Add "des" right after your name. This is the most basic way to say it. For an even more polite version, add "tomoshimasu" after your name. This phrasing is used in business situations. On the other hand, Chippy said, "Boku wa Chippy," and Cherry said, "Cherry da yo." Notice neither of them used "des." This is the casual way friends use to introduce themselves. Adding "dayo" at the end of a sentence gives it a soft, friendly feel. So even though it's the same self-introduction, Japanese speakers switch between a polite style and a casual style, depending on who they're talking to.
チッピーとズズちゃんは年齢も近いのよ。
何歳ですか
10歳だよ。
あ、同い年です。仲良くしてください。
うん。困ったことがあったらいつでも頼ってね。
チッピーくん、ちょっとかっこいいな。
In the conversation between Zuzu and Chippy, some age-related expressions came up. When you're the same age as someone, you use the word onaidoshi. Zuzu said, "Onaidoshi desu," meaning we're the same age. If the ages are different, you'd use toshiue for someone older than you, and toshishita for someone younger. For example, you could say, Chippy-kun wa watashi yori toshiue desu, or Cherry-chan wa watashi yori toshishita desu. And if you're asking an adult or someone older than you their age, it's more polite to use
おいくつですか?
instead of 何歳ですか? When Zuzu said 仲良くしてください to Chippy, she was expressing the feeling of wanting to build a good relationship and get closer to someone. It's often used during self-introductions, first meetings, or when connecting with someone new on social media. It works as a way to wrap up a self-introduction, and using it helps the conversation flow more smoothly.
Try using what you learned today. Next time, let's learn more new Japanese together with Zuzu. Don't forget to subscribe. And with that, we'll see you in the next episode.